Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. This is Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. Got our morning coffee. I really got to do something with this hair, eh? My hair is getting out of control. Anyway, good morning. Read an interesting story this morning. Well, I had my first cup of coffee. This is coffee number 2. A group of volunteers, community folks, are going out to Peter's Island, which is off the coast of Digby in Nova Scotia, which is Charlie Alpha 6189 for all you POTA folk. They are going out there to restore and fix up the lighthouse. There's a National Historic Lighthouse there, Peter's Island. Again, it's Charlie Alpha 6189. And they're going out there to work on restoring this lighthouse. You know, it's, I got thinking this morning, I was talking to Missy about it, that technology advancements are great. And, you know, technology has changed so much over my lifetime and how we do things, but it's getting to a point that you know, things like lighthouses here in New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, the Maritimes in general, used to be all over the place. Navigational aids for the Bay of Fundy, the Northumberland Strait, and you know, in the late 20th century, the government automated a bunch of them. They decommissioned a bunch, and a lot of these lighthouses that were once, you know, marvels of navigation are now falling into disrepair, and it's just a shame. Now, it's nice to see the community come up and do work to restore them. There's lots of them around here in New Brunswick, not too far from our house, that have community groups that maintain them. And Parks on the Air brings awareness to them in our ham radio community. So it's good to see the volunteers doing it, but just a shame that these once great titans of navigation are now just left to decline. Anyway, I wanted to share that piece because I thought it was a really good story about these groups going out to Peter's Island. They're spending 3 weeks there in September restoring this lighthouse. And I'm really starting to look at ways to get out to these places. Some of them will come with significant investment, and we'll be doing the Grindstone Island type thing we did, where we solicited some donations to help us offset the costs. But I want to get out there and do some more of these islands. Not this year, of course, because it's kind of late in the year, but maybe next year. Keep your eyes open. I'm Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. Enjoy your day. I actually got to do some real work. And we had rain last night, which was amazing. Thank you, everyone. See you guys in the next video.